guys, it's yet another beautiful day and I'm here with a very exciting update. Have you been worried about your background lately and you'd like to change it from a simple and casual background like this? Something spectacular, fabulous like this. Stick with me. I'm going to teach you the easiest and simplest way to do that while using CapCut. Let's go guys. Go to your camera homepage. Click on the CapCut app. Click on New Project. Select your desired background that you've already downloaded to your phone. Press Add. Click on the aspect ratio and select your desired aspect ratio. Adjust the background to fit the canvas. Click on Overlay. Add overlay. Select the desired video you are uploading. Add the video. Select Remove BG, which is Remove Background. Auto Remover and press OK. Adjust the picture frame to suit the background. Also adjust the length of the background to be equal to the length of your video. That way the background will stay all through the video. Save to your device and export for use. See, the steps are as easy as ABC. All you have to do is practice and you'll get perfect at it. Don't forget to subscribe. Support your girl and subscribe to my channel so that you get more spectacular and fabulous updates coming from me. Peace. Bye.